Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to create a duplicate file of a file in Windows PC. Okay, I'm opening this PC, which means my computer in your Windows 7 or Windows 8. Then select the file from your folder. I'm opening pictures folder and selecting one file, this one or disclaimer, and copy this file, and I'm creating a new folder here. Right click, select new folder and give a name, copy. After opening that folder, I'm just right click here, paste. I need to create a exact copy of this file. Okay, there is no option for that, creating a copy file. You can see there's an option for copy, but it is make a copy to another folder. But you can create a copy in this folder. It is very simple. Just click, just left click and press the control button and drag this file like this. You can see there is a copy is created. Just click and hold the control button on your keyboard and just drag like this, copy. Okay, there is also a move button. Also there is a move shortcut is here. Just click create a new folder and give a name, new folder. Okay, I need to move this file to this folder. Normally you can just drag and drop to this folder. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.